Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I have two opportunities for you. One is free 5k account, which will continue the process. Those who have not watched the first and the second video is still on the channel. You can check it. If you are finding difficulty to find them, then just go to my Telegram channel. I put the link under the video description. Okay, so you can go there and check, or if you're not getting, you can send me message in Telegram when you subscribe to my Telegram channel. Remember, the link is under the video description. And the second part is $1 for 1k account, and the account is instant funded. You don't need to pass any evaluation again. It's an instant account that you can start trading and start getting rewards. So remember, all profile accounts are not a real fund. They are not real money that you can withdraw. They are stimulated capital or demo capital, which you can trade and get reward of it if you meet the requirements set by the firm. Good. So let's get started straightforward. So I will straightforward go and check on this, which is the 5k free profile account that will be given by funding for, okay, for X. Okay, so that is a profile name, funding for X. They are new firm coming into the system where everyone needs to jump onto this opportunity without paying anything. That is what they promise. Remember, I'm not in partnership with them. I just get information online that I think is best to share with you guys. That is why I'm doing this. Good. So let's check on it. So those who have been in the process already, when you come here, just enter your email address right here and click on access dashboard. Okay. So in my last video, we did a knowledge text. So this one we are going to check on the Forex text one or trading text one. Okay, good. So if you are new to, just enter your email and access the referral dashboard. You need to refer 5 people in order to qualify for the next stage for the account. So I'll just input my email. For security mode, I'll pause this and then enter my email. Then we continue from there. That is very simple. So this is my dashboard, and you can see refer 5 friends is equal to 5,000 funded account. That is how it is. So let's scroll down below. Let's scroll down below to see. So this is where you see your link and then the text that you have to perform. So this is my referral link. If you want to use it, those who have not joined here, this is the link right here. Okay. So this is the text that you have to go through. I passed text 1, text 2, text 3. So I'm going to text 4 now. And it continues like that. So I've been messaged for not showing the text answers online. So I will do this in after I stop or I finish this video. I will do the test myself to complete this. So I think let me pause the video and then complete the text, and then you see our next step from there. Okay. So if you're enjoying this video and you want a free panel account, I have a lot of updates that I drop onto the channel every single day. I have an opportunity. Okay, so let's finish this, then I'll show you the update of the $1, which is will give you a 1k funded account, which is a demo account. Remember, all proof from trades a demo account only give you reward when you meet their requirements. Good. So let me complete the text and come back. So as I clicked on the text form, this is what it showed me. It's not any text of maybe testing your mind. It's rather a trading test. Okay, so you have to demonstrate your trading skills. Okay, so when I click on it, this is what I have seen. So step 1, they said I should open account by clicking on register now, which is this button here, and then create creates a demo account. Remember, I told you all this go with demo. And leverage should be 1:200, and prepare or download MT5 account, which number 4 says submit your details. So You just click on send details right here, and then you submit the detail for them. So you don't need to start trading till they approve or you get a confirmation email from them. That is all that you need to do. So this is a step 4. You just click on this, and then input your account ID, password, broker username, and whatever you think you can go with. So we have these brokers here. We have Xnis, IC Market, JX Market, and then XM Global. Okay, so you can go with any of them in order to get these accounts. Okay, so this is for this part. I'll do this later on by creating and registering every single thing. So let's go to the next part of the video, which is Aqua funded pro firm. They are giving opportunity to purchase 1K instant funded account for just $1. Okay, so start your Aqua journey for $1 divine into success with our capital. So remember, I only find this on the internet. So this video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. I'm not in partnership with them. Do your own investigation and research before you engage with them. The information is publicly available on the internet. You can also do research on. So just do that yourself before. If you're okay with them, then you start trading with them. Okay, so this is for 1K instant funding. You don't need to pass any evaluation against you. Get funded straightforward with the demo account. Okay, so to start, just click on start trading or claim my account. It's limited for some number of people, so you have to hurry up. Okay, you can see the top is limited for only 500 people. Okay, so if you are not with my Telegram or you are not in my Telegram channel, this are the opportunity you'll be missing out. If you follow my channel, my YouTube channel, and also be in my Telegram channel, sometimes I don't have time to record video, so I have to update those in the Telegram channel. And if you subscribe to my channel too, you'll be the first to be watching my video to claim limited accounts very early before it gets to huge number of people. So this is what I have right here. So just click on what start trading or claim my account, and then it will take you to the next page where you have to fulfill every single thing. So these are the challenge, or how do you call it, the account metrics. Okay, so let's grow instant funding, which is the most popular one for just $1. Here is the account. So we have maximum daily loss, which is 3%, maximum loss 5%, and then reward is bi-weekly, profit split 90%. And remember, this is 1K account, so 3% of 1K is just I think $30 or so. Let me calculate and see. I think it's $30. Yes, it will be $30. So let's see this 3 divided by 100 times 1, 2, 3. So that is $30. So the maximum drawdown they'll give you is 5%, which is $50. So we are just using $1 to trade $50 account, but automatically they will tell you it's 1,000 accounts. But if you do your corrections well, you know that this is just $50 account that they are giving. But it's very, very good, and I think it's the best. Just $1 to get $50. You can take every risk free on this account with just dial $1. So you just click on get funded here, and I think it will send you to the payment page where you have to input your payment and everything. Remember to do your own research before you do this. Okay, so this is it. Then you just have to click and input your details and make your payment. Okay, it's very, very, very simple. It's very, very, very simple to go with. So this is the update I have for you guys. If you love to be getting this every single day, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Goodbye.